Most guys ask her out the wrong way. If she's hesitating to say yes when you ask her out, this is probably why. Her hesitation isn't a hard no. It's a signal that something in your approach is making her feel uncertain. It could be pressure, vagueness, or just a lack of genuine connection. She wants to feel excited and safe, not put on the spot. But don't worry. Here are 7 sweet and effective ways to ask her out that make her want to say yes without even thinking about it. These methods are designed to build comfort, create a spark, and show her you're thoughtful and confident. First, the low-stakes preview. Instead of a big dinner date, say something like, "I'm heading to this cool little coffee shop on Saturday to grab a drink. I'd love for you to join me if you're free." This is casual, has a clear end time, and takes all the pressure off. She can just pop in, and if it goes well, it can easily extend. Second, the shared interest bridge. If you know she loves art, you could say, "I saw that new exhibit at the downtown gallery is getting great reviews. I was thinking of checking it out this weekend. Would ye be interested in going together?" This shows you listen to her and value her interests, making the date about a shared experience, not just an interview. Third is the callback compliment. Reference a previous conversation. For example, you mentioned you love Italian food the other day. "And I know this amazing little spot that makes the best carbonara. 3 should go try it sometime this week. Are you free Thursday?" This proves you pay attention to the details and makes the invitation feel personal and thoughtful. Fourth, try the future fun teaser. Plan a seed for a future date without asking directly. "Next time we hang out, we have to try that new ice cream place." This creates a sense of assumed progression in your connection, making the actual ask later on feel like a natural next step. When you do ask, it's just confirming the plan you already hinted at. Fifth, the help me decide approach. This is great because it empowers her. "Hey, I can't decide between seeing that new action movie or the comedy that just came out. You have great taste. Which one would you pick? Maybe you could help me decide in person." It's playful, values her opinion, and frames the date as a fun, collaborative activity. Sixth is the "I was thinking of you" message. This one is incredibly sweet and genuine. A simple text like, "I just walked past this bookstore and it made me think of you and our conversation about classic novels. Or, I'd love to take you there sometime and hear more of your recommendations." It's heartfelt, specific, and shows she's on your mind. And finally, number 7, the confident and direct method. Sometimes the best way is the simplest. After a great conversation, just look her in the eyes, smile, and say, "I've really enjoyed talking with you. A bride, like to take you out on a proper date this Friday. Are you free?" Content is attractive, and being direct shows respect for her time and leaves no room for confusion. So, if you want to see that smile, that little spark in her eyes, that finally, just moment of relief, try one of these. They shift the dynamic from pressure to excitement. Save this video, because trust me, you're going to want to use one of these sooner than you think. For full message templates and a deeper dive into the psychology behind attraction, you can grab the F formula in my bio. Just tap my profile and hit the blue link. Or, if you want me to send it to you directly, just comment the letter F below, and I'll DM it to you. If this was helpful and you want a part 2 with even more advanced techniques, just say the word in the comments or follow the link. Thanks for watching.